Hello everyone, I am Ishwant Kumar and pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Weltech University, and my project title is Bitcoin Price Forecasting Using Deep Learning Techniques. And my team members are Praveen Kumar Reddy and Varunad Reddy, and my supervisor is Vinodini Ma'am, Assistant Professor, CSC Department. Coming to the implementation of our project, here we are predicting the most efficient algorithm for Bitcoin price, and we are using the two different types of algorithms, which are nothing but LSTM and GRU. LSTM in the sense long short-term memory. For long short-term memory, first we have to import the required modules, which are nothing but NumPy, which is used for the numerical computation, and next import the pandas for used in CSV files. CSV files in the sense comma separated values. Here we are giving the CSV file which have respected date and the price of the particular date. And next we are importing the matplotlib, which is used to represent the data in the pictorial graphical representation. And we are importing the keras for importing the algorithms, which are nothing but LSTM, dense and sequential. And at last we are importing the sklearn, which for min max scalar, which is used to convert the values from 0 to 1 range. After that, we have to read the CSV files. CSV file in the sense comma separated values, which is market price that CSV file have to read. And next we have to read the head file, which is nothing but first starting 5 values of the file, and next tile is nothing but last 5 values of CSV file. And then we have to do the pre-processing, which is nothing but the main aim of our project is predicting the next 30 days of price, future price. And we have to train the data by using the train method, which is nothing but length of the particular data set minus predicted days, last 30 days, and also test the data. After that, after completion of the training, we have two functions, which is nothing but activation function and the optimizer. Activation function is sigmoid function and optimizer is Adam. And we have the loss function is mean square error. And here we are giving the number of epochs 400. We'll train the 400 times, and adding the input layers as number of units and the activation function, and getting the output in the units. And at last, after completing the training, it will test the data and generating the graphical representation of a particular predicting values. The red color represents the actual Bitcoin price, and the blue color represents the predicted Bitcoin price. And when we see here, the distance between the red color line and blue color line is very small. So our predicted values is accurate. Most probably it is accurate. And after that, we have to find the error rates. Here we are finding the mean square error and absolute mean square error. So after testing these two errors, we have got some values. The values are more similar, very less. So at last, we are predicting the last 30 days, next 30 days of our Bitcoin price. This is the LSTM. Then go to the GRU, the same as LSTM. Here we are importing the NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib and Keras modules. And after that, we have to read the CSV file, same as market.csv. And we have to pre-process the data by using the 30 days of future 30 days. And we have to train the data and test the data. And we are giving the activation function as sigmoid, and the optimizer is Adam, and loss function is mean square error. And after that, we have to use the sklearn pre-processing for standard scalar for converting the values from 0 to 1 range. And after that, we are giving the input layers, which has activation functions and number of inputs for getting the output. And we have to give the number of epochs as 400. It will train the 400 times and giving the accurate value of particular values. And when coming to the graphical representation. See here, uh, yeah, that same as like that. Red color represents the real Bitcoin price, and the blue color represents the predicted Bitcoin price. By when compared to the LSTM, the GRU has very less distance between that real and predicting values. So after that, we have to find the root mean square value and mean absolute value. The values when compared to the LSTM, GRU error rate is very low. So that at last we have concluded that GRU is the best algorithm for predicting the Bitcoin price.